west. Loko mo boys, west in 3. Wait, putang ina mo.
Sino yung wala nga ito?
Tignan po, push. Oh, west na boys in 3, 2, 1. Ay gago, nakapag-transform ako. Boy, come north.
Jason Creed.
Sige lang boy, come north. No, spread out. North spread out.
Pahil. Thank you.
North spread out. Eh, come southeast.
Sa akin, Teki.
Hoy, come southeast, mga uy! Tatagal nyo boys, come southeast!
Wait lang boss ha.
Uy, come southeast! Ang tagal ng mga dito. Fish ko lagi. Nagsishopping ba kayo dyan? Wala namang loot, di ba?
Wala.
Wala.
Spread.
My God.
Kamuis muna. Heal. Okay now, east now. Jason Creed ba to? Wait. South. South bow. South. Now, look east, boy. Look east.
Ay, hiwal.
Everyone, east now! In 3, 2, 1, east now, boy! East now! Okay, come back fast. Come back fast.
Patay kayo dyan.
Sige lang, push now, push them. Wait, cheese and grid yan, boys. Cheese and grid yan. Pre, east now, east, cheese and grid yan. Kamis. Pre, pakibantayin yung cheese and grid ha, baka pwede kayong ano niyan. Sige lang.
Patayin yung padal. Patayin yung padal.
Rio, going ng cheese.
Iyan nyo lang cheese. Sige lang. Bantayan nyo lang. Okay.
Ganyan na, pushing na sila.
Ay, wag nyo na habulin yan. Isa lang yan. Uy, hindi masyadong mga
Defensive. Walk in now, boys. Please, walk in now. Walk in northwest. On the crown, boys. In 3, 2, 1. Drop now, boy. Ay, gago. Dumiri-diretso sila. Comeback. Southwest. Ay, west. Sarot. Huwag kayo mag-brawl, please. South. Hoy, sabi ko na nga ba, ang kulit nung front eh, boy.
Sino?
Walk northeast. Ayun, nakuha boys, in 3, 2, 1. Wala ako nakuha, bobo.
Kadiri.
Kamues.
Kadiri.
Ano, two-way fight? Okay, spread out. Spread lang. Okay, walk in now, boys. Walk in. On the ground, boys. In 3, 2, 1. Drop, boys. Drop now.
Nice. Alis kagad, gigapads. Alis kagad, spread. Alis kagad. Walang assistir, walang magkano. Stay.
Nabangis mo sa show ko.
Hindi mo tayo maghahabol?
Huwag na. Hindi, patay na yun.
Balut. Sinis.
Oh, now, boys! Drop!
Tanga. Patay yan. Patay na yan.
Salamat. Nanalo na tayo. Thank you, Lord. Kapag clap kasi kalaban, kaya natin manalo, boy. Pag clap ang kalaban. Pag brawler,
Depende doon, no?
hirap tayo.
Patay sa ilalim.